Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have signed into Prime Video on multiple devices and want to remove one, deregistering a device logs it out instantly, helping you stay secure and manage your accounts easily. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to deregister a device on Prime Video in 2026 quick and secure. So first thing you have to know is device removal is instant. It works via your Amazon account, okay? And device must sign in again after removal. So deregister equals forced logout. So open account settings, like go to Prime Video. I recommend it to, I recommend web, not the phone. Okay, so click profile, go to accounts, access your account dashboard. So go to your devices. You must find it here. Select your device or devices tab. It displays all registered devices. Identify the device, like look at device name and type. Confirm it's the one you want to remove and avoid removing the wrong device. Okay, so click deregister. Click deregister next to the device. The action is immediate. Okay, so confirm action, like device is logged out instantly, access is revoked, and must sign in again to use it. So verify removal, like device disappears from the list. Your account is now cleaner and safer. Okay, so secure your account. Okay, this is optional. So change your password, enable two-factor authentication. It's recommended if device was unknown. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.